The reason we've established a Dementia Clinical Network is that there's obviously a lot of emphasis on dementia as a problem at the moment, and lots of innovations coming through to try and help people with dementia. But what we need to try and do is make sure that those innovations reach the patient, that they get into the NHS as smoothly as possible. That's the first reason. And the second reason is that we know that there are quite wide variations in the way in which people with dementia are treated, and we want to simply bring everything up to the best standard, identify those variations, talk to clinicians about what they think are the problems, and make sure that we all work to common standards. The second thing that we wanted to do is look at medical foods and see what sort of opportunities for development there might be in that arena. For example, looking at the palatability of new foods and making sure that they're suitable for patients and perhaps suitable for getting into clinical trials. So in terms of foods, we know that what's good for the heart is good for the brain, but what we need to also look at is whether there are foods that new foods that might actually be useful in preventing or reducing the rate of decline of dementia, or having specific uses within dementia. So one example of a service that we're interested in is Neighbourhood Return, which is about looking for people who've got lost, and it's a way of developing dementia-friendly communities and recruiting volunteers who might be interested in helping with small defined tasks for people with dementia. One of the advantages of having a range of projects is that we accept that some of them, not all of them, are likely to succeed. There will be some that will do well and others that will be less likely to have an immediate impact. What I think we would know, one metric for whether this is successful or not is the extent to which the innovations that we are promoting and developing and nurturing get adopted in other regions.